Hey everyone, I'm Connor, a software developer here at Nova. I'm super excited to walk through this week's release. For anyone new here, Nova is a GIS platform for anybody in the emergency response sector looking to improve their drone mapping and data processing workflows. And we know a crucial part of this is being able to collaborate and share with your teams. Previously on Nova, the only way you could do this is by sharing your entire workspace, which means if I want to collaborate with someone on this top level project, I would have to share my shared projects folder and my personal projects folder. Obviously, this is not what you want in most cases, especially when you're dealing with a huge team across different sectors and different regions. There's probably a rare chance that you want to share everything with them. And so now we're introducing project and folder specific sharing. So let's walk into that. If I go to my collaborators table to start, you'll see I've shared this with nobody yet. But let's go to this invite button on my project and add my alternate account to just this project as an editor. We'll send that off. If we go back into that modal, we'll see that their invite is now pending. Let's go a little deeper into the shared projects folder and share just this subfolder, search and rescue. We're going to add the same account to it. Great. If we go back to our collaborators table, we'll see that pending invite in here now as a partial editor. This just means that we can see these two things we've shared. They have partial access to just these two things as editors. And you know what? Let's change that top level project access to viewer. Great. I'm going to hop into that other account and let's check out what it looks like from their perspective. So here we are in the account I just invited, and we can see what we expect. I have viewer access to this top level project. I can't see that personal projects folder, and I do have access to this shared projects just so that I can get into search and rescue, which has been shared with me with editor permissions. And I even have editor access here, as you can see, to this color finder project shared in search and rescue. Great. Let's go back up and let's hop into this top level project. As a refresher, being a viewer means that I can see all the data and all the layers, and I can even make PDFs, but I can't change anything crucial. Some other things to look out for in this release are improvements to performance. For your really hot fires that can have 10,000 plus hotspots, we used to see a lot of lag when you could pan and interact with the map. That should be greatly mitigated now. We've also added auto showing for hotspot and ortho layers, which means when those jobs are finished processing, they should appear on your map as soon as they're ready. And lastly, the thing we want to note is that we've greatly improved our server startup times. So for some jobs, you should see 3 to 5 minutes of improvement in performance. So keep your eye out for that. As always, thank you so much for supporting Nova. Like and subscribe, it helps a lot, and we'll talk to you soon.